everyone, welcome to another fun and exciting video. Today, I'm going to show you how to write an essay about your best friend in English. Writing about your best friend is super easy and fun because you get to talk about someone special in your life. So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. First, every essay needs a great introduction. In the introduction, you want to tell the reader who your best friend is. Here's an example of how you can start. My best friend's name is Jake. We've been best friends for 2 years and we go to the same school. He's 10 years old, just like me, and we love spending time together. That's it. Just tell the reader who your best friend is and maybe how long you've known each other. Easy, right? Now let's move to the body of the essay. This is where you describe your best friend. You can talk about what they look like, what they like to do, and why they are special to you. Let's take a look at this example. Jake has short brown hair and blue eyes. He's always laughing and making jokes, which makes him really fun to be around. He loves playing video games and basketball, and he's really good at both. You see? In just a few sentences, I've told you a lot about Jake. You can do the same with your best friend by talking about what they enjoy and what makes them unique. Next, tell the reader why your friend is special to you. Think about fun things you do together or moments that show how much you care for each other. Here's another example. One of my favorite memories with Jake is when we built a treehouse together last summer. It was so much fun, and we spent hours working on it. Jake was always patient, and he helped me when I didn't know what to do. That's why he's such a great friend. He's always there to help me, no matter what. By sharing special moments, your essay becomes more personal and interesting. To finish your essay, write a nice conclusion where you say how much your friend means to you. You can end with something like this. I'm so lucky to have Jake as my best friend. We always have a great time together, and I know I can count on him for anything. I hope we stay friends forever. And there you have it, a complete essay about your best friend. My best friend's name is Emily, and we've been friends for 3 years. She is 10 years old, just like me, and we go to the same school. Emily has long brown hair and bright green eyes. She's always smiling, and that's one of the things I like the most about her. Emily is really smart and loves math. Whenever I have trouble with my homework, she's always there to help me. We love playing soccer together after school. She's a great player, and she taught me how to kick the ball like a pro. What makes Emily special is her kindness. She's always there when I need someone to talk to, and she's really good at cheering me up when I'm feeling sad. One time, I lost my favorite toy, and Emily helped me search for it for hours until we found it. We also love to draw together. On weekends, we spend time making colorful drawings of animals and flowers. Emily is very creative, and her drawings are amazing. I'm so lucky to have Emily as my best friend. We always have fun together, and I know I can count on her no matter what. I hope we stay best friends forever. Ow. Now it's your turn. Take what you've learned today and write your own essay about your best friend. Don't forget to add some fun details and make it personal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.